So this is where the offices will be. You can kind of see where the contractor mid marks. Cubicles will go on this side. And then this is where this door here is going to get taken off. So it'll just be like an open hallway. Here's where the new bathroom will go. So there'll be a wall from that wall to this wall here. This is just storage. It'll just remain storage. Pretty. So this will be the new bathroom. And I have measurements that I'll send over. This will be a hallway here. This door will remain, and this is where you're going to enter into the ops area. So the two options are open all of this up. That back door there is the bathroom. This door is just open. I'll send you measurements to see what's best for you guys. Otherwise, I also have measurements of the whole area if we just open all that up for the laundry area. Then back here, this will be the door to the storage area. It's pretty big. That door goes back out to the main area. See how pretty it is. That door goes to the back parking where we can all park and enter on busy weekends when it's too busy. I'm trying to get you guys a good. So this is the storage. This will be ops. And then coming back out here from this way, on the left will be cubicles, desks area. The right will be the conference rooms. And then up towards the front, this will be where like the seating area is, coffee, the desk for the vacation rental to check in at. And then those double doors, depending on what you guys want to do, can stay or go, or they probably provide some heat source protection in the winter, but I'll do the floor too. So it's just kind of broken up. And there's like this bulging out floor. And then I'll do an up close of the bathroom floor too. So this will be in where the new bathroom is. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a hump. So that's gonna have to be grinded down. And then that's where the current washer dryer is, so he'll flip those to go to the other side.